Old computers. Everybody has them. You may be patting yourself on the back for all the money you'd like to believe you're saving by holding on to those old computers, squeezing one more year out of that old Windows 7 or even worse, Windows XP computer. Don't laugh. We still see companies running XP. Yep, it's true. But have you honestly stopped to think about the actual costs of holding on to that aging computer? How much is that old computer frustrating Angie in the accounts payable department that she has to start looking for a new place to work because you won't get her a new computer so she can leave the office on time every day to see her family? What about the power costs to keep that relic of a computer running around the clock because you're afraid to shut it down, fearing that it may not power up again? What are the security risks to customer information because Microsoft has not released an update in years and all the hackers out there know how to exploit these aging systems? Truth is, old computers cost businesses big time. You are not saving money at all by holding on to that old computer. New computers and new technology offer significant cost savings, use less power, and increase efficiencies so people like Angie can leave the office on time to see her family, leading to a considerable increase in employee morale. Time to upgrade those dinosaur of computers still in use in your office? Well, we'd be happy to sit down with you and devise a plan to replace those aging systems, help you dispose of them properly, or even donate them to help bridge the digital divide. Let's chat. All of our contact information can be found in the description below.